Alright, you guys ever messed with any struts? You know, you gotta have a compressor to squeeze them things down. And this is a strut off of that 2010 Liberty that we're putting that little spacer lift on just to make room for a little bit bigger tires. But made myself a Redneck spring compressor. It's right there. It's just some angle I got out of scrap pile. You gotta have one leg longer than the other because those springs are not straight across, you know. But that little knob right there, you just put it between the tooth. And let's see if I can get this to slide in here. And you just slide that through. Climb up on the old hole, fire it up. Just give me a couple of inches and take that nut off, pull that top off, and knock the bushing out of it, and put the new one on, and let her back up, be ready to go back into Liberty.